Okay. We're here with the lovely Sunny Lopez. And I love your dress, honey, and I love the earring thing you got going on. Tell us what brings you here tonight.
I'm a stylist and designer, so I styled Zane for the event, and we were invited to come down and check it out. We're excited.
Wow, you're the second designer I've interviewed tonight. I also interviewed the lovely Jasmine Whitley.
She's so sweet.
Yeah, so I guess you guys all know each other and you're in the same circles. That's great. So you're a stylist and a designer. Wow, and tell us, how did you get your start? Because you're really young like she is. What's with these young designers? Were you like a teenager when you started?
Very sweet of you to say thank you. I started in my early 20s. I'm 38.
Wow, don't say that on camera. They'll jinx you.
I'm proud. You know, I don't need to be aging, but thank you for saying that. But I started in my early 20s and I've been designing always.
Wow, and you've got such an interesting flair. So I would take, like, what do you think of like the Lady Gagas of the world? Like, is that a little bit out there for you? But you kind of like you kind of got the vibe with the earrings, but I'll leave it at that.
Yeah, I definitely do like highly stylized things. When we saw her with the Kermit thing, we were like, I don't know, maybe.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Yeah, with the war show we saw recently, it's like she's a showpiece.
Yes, a bit much. But if you look at her early work, she was much simpler. Like, she just had the cones on her head. Now it's like everything.
Yeah.
I kind of like the old one more. Do you find that as well, that it's like they overmarket people almost? That's why I like your style, because it's a bit of indie, but you can pull it off, right?
Thank you. Yeah, I definitely like it that way. With her, it's a costume. She's in costume, and not like good costume, like Halloween costume.
Yeah, exactly.
Like it's artistic, and she can still look womanly.
Wonderful. So where can our viewers find your stuff?
Oh, on heartsunshine.com. You can check out my line.
Wonderful. Heartsunshine.com. And what retail outlets, like major retail outlets, can we find it at?
I'm on Beverly Drive. I'm on Girlfriends and Flaunt Boutique.
Oh, that's right near the California Pizza Kitchen, right?
Yes, across the street.
Oh, yeah. Fancy Girlfriends. Very fancy. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.